The method of superposition can simplify plotting the bending moment diagram for a beam subjected to multiple different loads. So here we superimpose two cases where the beam is subjected to the point load and a uniformly distributed load. And if we look at this case, if you cut the beam from right to left, you can see that the shear force and the bending moment on the overhang is 0. So therefore this beam effectively behaves like a simply supported beam. And the reactions here are 1 kilonewton each by symmetry. So therefore, because of the point load, the bending moment diagram is piecewise linear, and the maximum bending moment is simply 1 kilonewton by the moment arm of 1 meter. And this bending moment diagram for a simply supported beam is well known, so it's equal to the point load by the span on 4. Now in the second case, if you cut the beam from right to left, you'll see that the bending moment at the support here is the uniformly distributed load by the length, which gives the resultant, which acts in the middle of the uniformly distributed load. So therefore the moment arm is the length on 2. So in this case here, the bending moment is 3 kilonewton per meter by the length gives the resultant, by the length on 2 gives the bending moment at the support. And because of the uniformly distributed load, the bending moment diagram is parabolic. So here it's 1.5 kilonewton meters. And because there's no load applied on a simply supported span, the bending moment diagram is linear. And there's no externally applied moment at the support, so the bending moment diagram is piecewise continuous. Now by the linearity of the bending moment diagram, at 1 meter, the bending moment is half of 1.5. So here is 0.75 kilonewton meters. And these moments here are negative because they're hogging moments. And if we superimpose these two cases, at the point load, we have a bending moment of 1 minus 0.75, which is 0.25 kilonewton meters. And at the roller, we have 0 minus 1.5, so that would be minus 1.5 kilonewton meters. And we can see that the bending moment is piecewise linear here when we superimpose these two bending moment diagrams. And then the bending moment diagram is parabolic on the overhang, so it looks something like this. Please subscribe, like and comment to help me reach more students.